Your model is rarely just the model. Before it ever learns, your data gets cleaned, scaled, and encoded. The question is, how do you keep all of those steps together every single time? In a notebook, these steps float around as separate cells. They only work if you run them in the exact right order. Forget one, or run them out of sequence, and everything quietly breaks. And when a new data point arrives, you have to remember to redo every step by hand. It is easy to make a mistake, and even easier to leak information you should not have seen. A pipeline fixes all of this. It wraps every step into one single object, locked into the correct order. Impute, then scale, then encode, then the model. Always in that order, no exceptions. Now raw data goes in one end, and a prediction comes out the other. Fit trains every step at once. Predict reuses the exact same steps. One object, one source of truth. But tabular data has a twist. Different columns need different treatment. That is the job of a column transformer. The numeric columns, like age and income, go to a scaler. The category columns, like city and plan, go to a one-hot encoder that turns each label into its own yes or no column. Both branches merge back into one clean feature matrix. Our 4 raw columns become 7 model-ready ones, and the model never has to know any of it happened. And here is the real payoff. Because the whole pipeline fits as one object, cross-validation can fit it fresh on each fold. The scaling and encoding learn only from training data, never the test fold. So you get one number you can actually trust, 0.798, give or take a hair. No leaks, no surprises. In one line, a pipeline is every step, fitted as one. We have been leaning on one library for all of this, the one that makes pipelines, models, and scoring feel effortless. Next, we get to know it properly. That is scikit-learn.